not a parade, a show of arms.
What's it doing so far from the normal supply routes?
We can't be certain. My agents are spread thin.
Not anymore. Count me in.
It's a testament to the fighting spirit of your people. You've put aside your differences and united to dispel the oppressive Galra regime, continuing the fight against the Galra that began with the re-emergence of the 5 Lions of Voltron. Right, 4 lions. For it is the individual willing to take up arms that strengthens the whole. And with that strength, we will be unstoppable! And King Voltron with sword. Oh, Quiznak, only 4 lions. I keep forgetting that.
What's going on?
We received a distress signal.
I'm sorry, I can't get to you. They're all over me.
What are you doing?